Hey, it's Eran here. I'm gonna do a tutorial to show you exactly how to use Sunny landing pages to take an offer from JVZoo and make a promotion really simply, okay? And this is essentially what we call a sort of a bridge page, or it's just a page where you really kind of bridge something from somewhere. So my plan, what I'm doing is I'm about to do a live stream on Facebook, right? And I'm going to do a live stream. However, to include a link here, it shouldn't ideally be JVZoo because Facebook doesn't really allow affiliate links. So it needs to be a bridge page, and therefore I use Sunny to create that bridge page. Now, to create the bridge page, I'm going to create three simple elements, right? So first of all, it's the headline because you want to get people's attention, okay? Ever wondered how to get viral videos created for your business? Or are you interested in creating viral video marketing to drive traffic to your online business? Good. Headline. Next is a video. Now, I'm actually going to use a video, but it's not even mine, right? This is the video. This is the sales video from the sales page. I just went to the person's YouTube channel and got the video. I can use whatever video I want, right? So it doesn't really matter. There you go. And lastly, you want to have a call to action. Check out video wrapper. Okay, good. So I'm going to write here by getting your own copy, your very own video wrapper using my link below. I will give you the following as bonuses. 1. Use promo code. Now there's a promo code for that, so let me just check what it is. I think it is save10. It's either save 10 or 10 save or something. Ten save. No, I think it's save 10. See, it went down $10. Perfect. Yep, that's what I want. Qualify for a free one-on one call about your business. Free access to my course, How the Online World Really Works. No, just that. And how you can use this tool to increase traffic. Yep, that will be my bonuses. I can add more bonuses, but I'll keep it really simple. Now I need to get the link. So let's get the link from here. There we go. Center, 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 and center. Save. Preview. See what this looks like. On mobile, okay, this is what it will look like. And I think the mobile will also look fine. It's just that they're actually fixing a technical issue with this at the moment, but I'm sure it will be fine. So let's publish. Domain. Now I'm going to call this video wrapper, and I'm going to have a new domain name for that. So it's going to be bridge eranbucai.com video wrapper. Continue. And you could watch this to see how to connect it. I already have connected it. So I just do publish. And I click this video wrapper. Look at this. How awesome. How freaking awesome. I absolutely love this software. Waiting for JVZoo. Beautiful. Good. I shall be going on a live stream now. Alrighty, that's the tutorial. It is simple as that. I literally took 5 minutes to create a video, and you could do it too. Okay, see you soon. Bye.